Hello, Igor Young Minds. Today we're going to talk on how to change improper fraction to mixed number. So meron tayo dito mga halimbawa. Let's take this example number 1. I have here 11 over 3. So gagawin natin tong mixed number. So para magawa to, you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So gagawin natin dyan, i-divide natin yung 11 divided by 3. Okay, so ganyan muna yan. And then let us take this one, 11 divided by 3, and that is 3. Okay, and then 3 times 3, alam nyo naman siguro yung division process natin, that is 9. Okay, and then 11 minus 9, this is now 2. Okay, so ngayon, ito na. Ngayon, paano natin malalaman dito kung nasaan ang whole number, anong numerator at anong denominator? Okay, itong nasa taas na yan, yung quotient niya, yan ang iyong magiging whole number. So that is now 3. Itong remainder na to, itong nasa baba, ito ang inyong magiging bagong numerator. And then, ang denominator natin ay same pa rin. Hindi yan mababago. Kaya naman, the mixed number of this improper fraction 11 over 3 is 3 and 2/3. Okay? To check kung tama ang sagot ninyo, di ba pwede nating ang mixed number, pwede natin yung gawing improper fraction. To check kung tama, pwede nyong gawin to. So multiply the whole number and the denominator. So that is 3 times 3, and that is, di ba, ganun ang ginagawa natin, that is 9. And then 9, add natin dito sa numerator, and that is 11. Okay, and then the denominator is the same. So that is 11 over 3. Ayan. Kung same yan, dito ay ibig sabihin, your answer is absolutely correct. Okay? Let's take this example number 2. Okay, example number 2, meron tayo ditong 23 over 5. So ganun ulit, set up tayo ng division dyan. This is 23 and then divided by 5. So 23 divided by 5, syempre ilang 5 meron sa 23, meron lang yang 4. And then 4 times 5, that is 20. And of course, the remainder is 3. So ganun uli. Itong nasa taas na to, ito ang ating magiging whole number. Itong remainder na nasa baba, ito ang ating magiging bagong numerator, that is 3. And ang denominator natin ay kukopyahin lang natin, hindi naman yan magbabago. Okay, ngayon, medyo duda ka sa sagot mo, gusto mo uling makasigurado, pwede mong i-check yan. Paano? Multiply lang natin ang denominator at saka ang whole number, that is 4 times 5, and that is 20. And then, add natin sa numerator, that is 20 plus 3, and that is 23. And then, kopyahin natin ang denominator, that is 5. Okay, kung parehas yan, ibig sabihin, you are very sure that your answer, 4 and 3/5 is correct. And so may checking tayo, no? Okay, now let's take this example number 3. Okay, ganun uli, I have here 16 over 7. Gawin natin yung mixed number. Okay, set up ulit tayo, division tayo, 16 divided by 7. So, ilang 7 meron sa 16? So, meron lang yung dalawa. And then multiply natin, 7 times 7, that is 14. Okay, and then minus natin, 16 minus 14, that is 2. Okay, so ganun ulit. Itong nasa taas, ito ang ating magiging whole number. Itong nasa baba, ito ang ating magiging bagong numerator. And then ang denominator natin ay kopyahin lang natin, hindi yan magbabago. So ngayon ang sagot mo. If you want to be sure kung tama ang inyong sagot, again, pwede mo yang i-check. Paano? Multiply lang natin yan. That is 2 times 7 and that is 14. Tapos add natin sa numerator 14 plus 2, that is 16. Kopyahin natin ang denominator, that is 7. Kung parehas yan, okay, at saka yung iyong initial problem, that is the same. Very sure your answer is correct. Okay? So ganyan lang po kadali on how to change improper fraction to mixed number. Okay? So ito po muli si Teacher 1. Maraming salamat sa inyo and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!